Yeah. Prioritization is something that I think is so important when it comes to your email program because there's a lot of initiatives. And so what I typically find is that businesses will go to the email team when they're not going to hit revenue goals. And they're like, oh, just send an email. Like, we'll just increase revenue, just send the email. And what that means is that something else becomes deprioritized. And what typically becomes deprioritized are retention efforts that are trying to help combat some form of churn or continuing to keep the base engaged. So it's definitely that fine balance because if you're only in this reactionary state of sending out promos and blasts to try to increase revenue, like you're going to deplete your base and you're not going to have a healthy pool of people to then sell to. And by the way, people are people and they just want value. So if you are constantly trying to sell them, like they're going to unsubscribe. And so, yeah, so the flip side of that is having these more nurturing campaigns, onboarding campaigns, churn reduction campaigns that keep your base healthy and engaged, even if that you can't equate that to the revenue for this month. So what I've tried to do in that is work with data teams to create reports that help tell that story as to why these other campaigns are so important, and what that means. So like using metrics like LTV and saying like, we're going to increase LTV by, $20 or whatever. That's a big jump depending on your business, but, so yeah, I think being able to like understand what campaigns are going to drive in the short term and the long term for your revenue and for your business helps with that prioritization, because you will have this like influx of people that are like, bring in more revenue. Wait, why haven't you fixed churn yet?